Imagine you have a magic key. This key can open any door in the world. It can make you smarter, faster, and better at everything. What if I told you that this key is real? Yes. It is called learning faster. If you know how to learn quickly, you can do anything. You can play music, speak new languages, solve big problems, and become the best at what you love. But the question is, how do we get this magic key? How do we learn anything faster? Let me tell you a story. There was once a boy named Sam. He wanted to learn to play the guitar. He tried again and again, but failed. His fingers hurt. The music sounded bad. He thought, maybe I am not smart enough. One day he saw an old man playing the guitar so beautifully. Sam asked, "Sir, how can I learn fast like you?" The old man smiled and said, "It is not about being smart. It is about how you learn." Sam was confused. "What do you mean?" he asked. The old man took a deep breath and said, "Let me teach you the secret of learning fast. First, focus on one thing at a time. Many people try to learn many things together. They study while watching TV, listen to music while reading, or think about something else while practicing. This is wrong. The brain learns best when it focuses on one thing at a time. If you truly want to learn fast, remove distractions. No phone, no TV, just you and your learning. Second, use the 80-20 rule. The old man explained, in any skill, 20% of things give 80% of results. If you want to play the guitar, learn the most important chords first. If you want to learn a language, learn the most common words first. Do not waste time on things that do not help much. Find the most useful parts and focus on them. Third, practice in small steps. Many people try to learn too much in one day. They get tired and give up. But the secret is to learn little by little, every day. If you practice for 30 minutes daily, you will learn more than someone who practices for 5 hours once a week. The why. Brain remembers better when you repeat small lessons every day. Fourth, teach what you learn. Sam was surprised. Teach? But I am still learning. The old man laughed and said, that is the trick. When you teach someone, your brain understands better. If you learn something new, explain it to a friend. Write about it. Speak about it. Teaching makes learning stronger. Fifth, use pictures and stories. Our brain loves pictures and stories. If you only read boring words, you will forget. But if you turn information into a fun story or a picture, you will remember forever. For example, if you are learning history, imagine you are inside that time period. If you are learning science, think of it as a magic trick. Make learning fun. Sixth, take breaks. Many people think studying for hours without rest is the best way. But the brain does not work like that. After 25-30 minutes, it gets tired. The best way is to study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Walk, stretch, or drink water. Then study again. This helps the brain stay fresh and remember better. Seventh, believe in yourself. Many people think, I am not smart enough. But that is a lie. Anyone can learn fast if they use the right method. The secret is to have confidence. Say to yourself, I can do this. The more you believe, the faster you will learn. Listened carefully to the old man. He followed all the advice. He focused on one thing, learned the most important parts first, practiced daily, taught his little sister what he learned, made fun pictures, took breaks, and believed in himself. In just a few weeks, he played beautiful music. His fingers did not hurt anymore. His music was sweet. People clapped for him. He ran back to the old man and said, Sir, it worked. I learned so fast. The old man smiled and said, "Yes, because you use the magic key. So, my friend, the magic key is in your hands now. Use it well. No matter what you want to learn, math, dance, coding, sports, a new language, use these simple secrets, and you will learn faster than ever." Remember, learning is not about being smart. It is about learning smart. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more amazing tips. Let's learn, grow, and make our dreams come true together.